Hello guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel Pharmano. Myself Ankush Bansod. I am currently studying in Naiparar, Lucknow, Department Pharmacology and Toxicology. Guys, today video topic is download free any research paper and any review article using Science Direct, PubMed and Google Scholar. Let's start. Guys, you are new on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You get all notification of my new videos. Let's start. I talk detail about how to find and download any research paper and any review article. Must watch this video till end. Firstly, open Google and search. Firstly, this website and site Science Direct. Search is this is Science Direct. Open it and open this sciencedirect.com Science, Health and Medical Journal. Guys, you can download any research paper like related to virus, bacteria, enzyme, any disease, any drug, any chemical compounds, any plant related compounds, any naturally occur compound. You can search and download it. Suppose I download the research paper related to any disease like Parkinson disease. Search this in this box, search it is keywords Parkinson disease. Write and search it. This search option. It is a lots of research paper and review articles related to Parkinson disease. It is a direct option download PDF analysis of DNAM3 and this is a research article analysis of DNAM3 and VAMP for a genetic modifiers of LRK2 Parkinson disease. I download this research paper, direct click this download PDF. After open it, you can select this option, click it. It is a download PDF. It is a downloaded. Download completed. Second site is PubMed. Open Google and search PubMed. PubMed. You can search any research paper and any review article related virus, bacteria, enzyme, any disease. Suppose I put in this box like coronavirus. Type it and search. It is a lots of research paper and review article related to coronavirus, drug target of coronavirus, a systematic review, coronavirus disease 9 pandemic to gastroenterologist perspectives, novel coronavirus disease COVID-19 in pregnancy, what are clinical recommendation to follow. Coronavirus disease 2019 a growing threat to children. Suppose I download this research paper. I want to download this research paper. Firstly select it. For downloading you select this DOI number. Select this DOI number, drag it and this select and right click and copy link address. Copy link address and open the Google and search Sci-Hub, SCIHUB. After Science Hub and open this Science Hub, removing barrier in the way of science. Open and enter this copied link address. Right click and paste and open. Download completed that research paper. It is a coronavirus related research paper. You can, in this way you can download any research paper. Third site is Google Scholar. Open Google and search Google Scholar. This open Google Scholar and open this Google Scholar. Guys, you can download any research paper like bacteria. I suppose put any enzyme like HMG CoA reductase enzyme, reductase inhibitors. Search and search it. This is a lots of research paper related to HMG CoA reductase inhibitor. Rhabdomyolysis and HMG CoA reductase inhibitor, HMG CoA reductase inhibitors. It is a lots of, and it is a related search to related HMG CoA reductase. Okay, I want to download this research paper, direct vascular effect of HMG CoA reductase inhibitor. Open it. And for downloading you select this DOI number https DOI.org. This select and right click, copy link address and go to Sci-Hub, SCIHUB, and select this removing barrier in the way of science and paste that copy link address. Open. This paper not found in for PDF format. Okay, I selected another research paper. Okay, mechanism of action and biological profile of HMG CoA reductase inhibitor. Search and open it. After open this is Springer link, cite this article. Click it and select this DOI number. Right click, copy link address, go to Sci-Hub, search Sci-Hub and select it and paste that link address, copy link address, paste it and open. Download completed. Mechanism of action and biological profile of HMG CoA reductase inhibitor. In this way you can download any research paper and any review article free for your study. Okay guys, that's all in today videos. Please subscribe and share to this video to your friends and comment. Thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.